It's time to clean my goat house. You guys are here chilling, Abby. Well, it's time to get your house cleaned. Hello, Lindsay. How you doing? How are you doing this morning? I'm about to clean your house. Okay? So, let's go to their house and get it cleaned. Oops. You guys messed up the whole place. You messed up the whole place. All right, so this is what I do every morning until I do the elevation where they will be staying up and their poop with pee will go down. For now, every day I clean their house with lots of water and make sure the place is always clean and dry before they come back to rest at night. So, hello, you want to help? You want to come in and help? Okay, so the first thing I do is to release the water. So then I use my brush. So you see, now it's sparkling clean. Everywhere is clean. It is important to have fresh running water in your farm for cleaning purposes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna turn around and show you how the dirty water goes out. It goes out through that hole into my garden behind. That's the garden. That's the garden. So this manure water is going to go out and it's going to go into the garden through that pipe and it's going to feed the garden with fresh organic manure. You can see where I'm standing. It's clean and dry. I'm not in the water. So I'm not in the dirty water. The way the place was constructed, when you start cleaning, this side gets clean, the water goes down, and then you make it go out. You see, we're scrubbing everywhere clean. So it will be dry and very sparkling clean for them to use at night. I'll show you around now. You see how everywhere is clean and all the manure water is going out to the garden through this pipe. You see, everywhere is sparkling clean. Sparkling clean. So, in the next 30 minutes to 1 hour, this place will be dry and it will be ready for them to use at night. Okay, so I'm going to switch this off. Okay, so the water the remaining water can go out to the garden. This is what I do every day, every morning. So I think I'm just gonna do the elevated construction so I can get their hook and peel to drop through the linings of the floor. Then I have a well-channeled system that will take the waste to the garden. That's going to be my next construction. But for now, this is how I keep their house clean. Hi, you're looking at me, right? You're looking at me. You want to help? You want to come in and help? Okay, so everywhere is shining. Everywhere is shining. The whole house, the floor is clean and shining. It's clean and shining. What's up? That's my he goat, one of my goats. His name is Larry. So we're good. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Everywhere is clean. There's fresh air coming in through the nets. The whole floor is clean. It's shining. It's clean and shining. Everywhere is sparkling. And let me just quickly show you where the water goes to. It comes out through that hole right there into the garden. And this is the garden. This is the garden. It is feeding the garden. Yeah. What's up? You want to eat? You want food? Let me just give them some grains now so they eat. Let me show you the house from a distance. So that's their house right there. 1 door, 2 doors, 3 doors. That's where they sleep at night. And if we have any pregnant one and is ready to kid, they go in there and have their baby. So I think they want to eat right now. Let me just give them some grains. So I use one of the rooms for storage of their grains. Okay. So this should be okay for now. You see how excited they get when they see me coming out with food. Hey, see how excited he is? Will you let me? Yeah, let's go to your feeding trough. Yeah, come. Come. You want to take the food from my hand? Yeah, come here. Come here, it's time to eat. There you go. There you go. Okay. How about Lindsay? Lindsay is not here to eat. Okay. Yeah. You're just here chilling. Hmm? You're here chilling, Abby. No wala. Enjoy. Come. Hello, Lindsay. You're not eating with your mom? You're not eating with your mom. Why? Why? So, this is just a day of how my daily routine with my goats. Kindly subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and support my channel. Thank you.